An advisor recently shared with me how he thinks that his review meetings with current clients, they seem to be getting kind of redundant after a couple years of working together, and he worries that they might not be as valuable to the clients anymore. Because in the first few years of working together, or maybe the first 6 months, there's quite a bit of work to do to make sure that you help your clients get on the right track and maybe make a few adjustments and things like that. But once they get in maintenance mode, if they do get into this maintenance mode, then there's that worry that you're not providing enough value. So in this video, I want to share one of the most valuable things that we started doing in client review meetings that makes sure that our clients feel good about what they're doing and they feel good about the progress that they're making in their financial lives. If I haven't met you yet, I'm Dave Zoller, and I own Streamline Financial, an advisory firm that manages over 250 million for our clients. And we created this channel so that we can share some of the things that is working for our firm and for the people in it, so that we can continue to grow. So if you're an advisor who's interested in learning from other practicing advisors, then subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. We'll put out about one per week. So every review meeting, we have a template, and it's really a slideshow that we prepare for each client. Really, the first 3 months of the year, we have a specific theme, and it's really just the investment-focused meeting for the previous year. And so every January, we update this template, this slideshow. And there's one thing that we're starting to keep constant in the slideshow, and it's the slide that we just call accomplishments. And this is really a list of it's an ongoing list of things that we've done, changes that we've made for these clients that have improved their financial life. And sometimes it's not an improvement to their financial life, but maybe it's just a big event such as an anniversary or something like that. And internally at Streamline, we've got a list of all the things that we have been doing for them over the past few years. And this list of things also includes a list of things that we didn't do for them, which is very valuable, and I'll explain that in a minute. So here's what it looks like on my screen here. So in 2021, here's a list of things that we did for this particular client. We did RMD, QCD to charities. They updated their trust with their attorney and had a few changes there. And then they added some money to their trust, rebalanced. We rebalanced for them and added tips to the portfolio. They did a few gifts that they really felt good about. And then here's the thing that we didn't do for them, which was a Roth conversion. Now, we evaluated whether it made sense for them to do a Roth conversion and decided that this year it didn't make sense after we did a tax review and things like that. But I heard Matthew Jarvis say this, that if you evaluate something for your client without them knowing about it, it's definitely valuable for you to tell your client that you did it, even though nothing changed in their financial life. Would you agree with that? Because really, your client, just knowing that you're thinking of them and you're evaluating ways to potentially optimize their situation, that's extremely valuable, even though you didn't implement the advice. So we will put those things on there when we're looking at this list of accomplishments. And here's another thing. This client evaluated a second home. Should we get this second home? It's a place that we go to for vacations and things like that. And we decided against it. So it didn't change their financial life, but we did spend time evaluating whether it made sense. So really, this is a few prior years together. And we have a list of many other progresses, things that we've checked off and that have improved their financial. And by the way, if you're interested in our full annual review process for clients and what the entire slideshow looks like and what we say, write a comment below so that I know that kind of video would be helpful for you, and then I could record that and upload it here to the channel. So an action step for you to think about is, in your next review meeting, look back at the past year and write down the things that you did for your clients. Was it rebalancing? Did you do a tax review or have a phone call with their accountant after tax season? Did you do a Roth conversion evaluation? Keep that running list and just make sure that you share it with your clients so that they know the continual progress is being made in their financial life. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the next video. Take care.